Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the walking speed in the Journey Plan application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the settings button. And at the footwalk options section, look for the walking speed button and click on that. And as you can see, there are three options you can choose from. So you can set it to slow, normal, which is the default setting, and then fast. So just tap on the one that you want to use and then click on the done button, and the walking speed is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.